Okay, that's beginning. So I will also start the recording as well. No, it's already doing live, so I don't need to do any recording. Perfect. Okay. Live here. All right, so welcome everyone to the live streaming. Let me start sharing my screen so you guys can see who I am and all this stuff. Okay, good. You guys are ready, right? Then let me start sharing. Let's see. You guys still popping in. All right, I won't be clicking the edit button from now on. It's just too many people. Okay. All right, so let's begin. All right. So welcome everyone to our live training, Econ Club live training. It's been a while. I missed you guys. I know you guys, some of you are missing me so much. I know it. So before I start, okay, I will make sure you guys to take out your notebook first, okay, and write these 3 key points on your notebook first. Okay, we want you to start with a logical beginning. That means you know what you're gonna achieve today. You know what we're gonna talk about today. Because I don't want to jump in here and jump in there, so you know what you're gonna do. So take out your notebook, just write down these 3 key points first. Okay, very important. The first one will be income from e-commerce and dropshipping. So basically, why you must start doing e-commerce. Okay, the second thing is 4 key to successful e-commerce business. That means I'm going to show you guys the 4 key important things that you guys have to follow. As to get these 4 things done, you will have an amazing successful e-commerce business. Okay, and then the most important part today, okay, it will be the secret AI tools I have been working with. I have been using it, and this will give you some amazing results that you have never seen it before. Okay, this will be the only one in the market right now. Okay, there will be no next one. This is the only one. This is the official one that you guys know that you will be keep using as well. All right. So type 777. If you have all this thing ready, you have a notebook, your pen ready, we're gonna start. Okay. And we also share a link to the WhatsApp group that will be used for the Q&A. Okay. You can use that link and go to the WhatsApp. You want to ask questions there as well. Okay. So for that WhatsApp group, don't type 777. No need to type 777 there. Just type your question, and then we have a team member replying you guys in case you face any problem. So for this live, feel free to spam it because you want to make sure the engagement is good. All right. And if your friends fail to join the Zoom, just ask them to watch it on the live Facebook Live. All right. Good. Let's begin. All right. So before we start, I know where are you from to make sure that I can present it to you guys in a correct way. Okay. I know some of you is from Singapore. Some of you, okay, should be from, okay, wait. I know some of you are asking to join the group. Maybe just accept all of you. All right, so just let me know where you guys from. I'm going to accept you guys one by one. Okay, we have, okay, from UAE, okay, from Hong Kong, Malaysia, Singapore, Sydney. Hong Kong, UAE. Suppose you guys from Venezuela, okay. Malaysia, Philippines. Nice. Africa. Joe, you're from Africa. Okay. My God, good. Amazing. All right. So, when you know, second question. I want to know, do you have an e-commerce store? So type 1, if you have it right now. 1, you're actively running it. Type 2, if you do not have it. Okay. Type 3, okay, you have started it before, but now you just close it. I don't know where you are. First, that means you are doing it, you're doing good, you like it, and you have been running it. Type 2, that means, I never start any e-commerce business, I had no idea what it is. 3 is that, I tried it, it failed, I just give up, don't want to do it anymore. It's okay. It's okay. Even you close it down, even okay. For us, we open new store every single year. There will be some store that we have to close it down, there will be some store we need to scale it up. Okay, it all depends on whether it's worth your time to keep working on it. Okay, I see a lot of 3. I got it. Okay, I see a lot of 1 as well. Amazing. I know Angel. Good. Angel has been doing it for like 3 years, I think. Okay, you know, when you can run your business for more than 3 years, basically that business or that store you have running right now can keep generating you passive income. I mean it. If you can keep it running for more than 3 years, that means that that store is working really well. keeping it, okay? Because this will give you unlimited income stream. All right. So, and what do you want to learn, okay, today? It can be anything, okay? But you need to have a question in your mind first, because you need to make sure that your mind know what you want. Okay, you say, okay, I'm gonna learn something today. Just this word, write it on a notebook. I want to learn something today. Then it's okay. Your mind will help you to look for things you never learned before, and then it will help you to get something new today. All right. Or you have any question, you can always type in the chat box or just write it down on the top left or top right corner of a notebook. So whenever I have some answer related to it, you can just grab it there. All right. Okay, still have people try to hop on. Okay, I'm still like admit button. So you need to make good money. I want to learn how to get direct access to Aliexpress database, guideline to be successful, action to be taken, how to use AI to automate stores, winning product, all these things. Good. Okay. And the most important things, why are you here? Okay, why are you here? I'm not just about why you're here in the live. I mean, like, what brings you here? Is it because I typed something on my Facebook? Is it because you saw an email from me? Or because there's an urge that you want to see me? Okay. Or there's something that tell you that, okay, I have to be there. I have to be there and I have to learn something from there. All right. Urge to see me and learn the current strategy become successful because of you. Okay. Thanks again. So I told you guys, do not use the annotate button on Zoom. Otherwise, you're going to mess up the screen. All right. You're the best for e-commerce. I want to know. Thanks, Baker. So I know I have been silent for the past 1 year. I didn't do much on e-commerce because do you know why? What I have taught you are basically all the important things you need to know in e-commerce. You just need to rewatch my video. I can 100% guarantee you that the most video I taught you in the e-com club live, I've done more than 60 videos covering from everything. And it still works today. Most of you guys are running a successful store just because of those things. You just need to rewatch it. I don't want to, keep repeating the same thing. It's just like having to do revision. You are the one responsible for your whole life. That's why you are here. You are responsible to do something. That's why you're here. You should see me and see if I can bring you some positive energy that you can move on. Right? That's why you're here. Okay. Or you're looking for some guidance, or you're looking for some inspiration. Right? So that's why, long story short, I want to ask one last question. Anyone here never seen me before? Okay, type 1 if you never seen me before. I'm curious. Some of you can be new. If you all know me, perfect. Then even easier. Those will make my business last 3 years. Good. Yes. So if you know me, good. Then I'm gonna keep my introduction really short and we go straight to the presentation. All right. So why are you here? Are you struggling? Are you want to change in life? Or you got stuck? Or you need help? Right? Or you looking for inspiration? And you need to know why you're here. Pretty important. Okay. This is a hack for yourself. This is a hack. Whenever you want to do something or whenever you feel lost, just ask your question. Why are you here? I mean, your brain will help you look for solution. You let you know, okay, I'm here because I'm alive. I'm here because I love my wife. I love my children. I need to do something to make some money. Just ask why are you here? Because most of the time, 99% of us, 99% of our time, we are wasted wandering around. We have no idea what we're going to do. Okay, nearly 90% of people when they die, that's nurse asking them question, why you're there? What's the most things that you regret from doing? Okay, that you haven't done. Most of them are saying that, yeah, they do not have time to do what they love to do. They fail to do it. But right now they're complaining, they're regretting because they have no more time left. So when you're young, when you're still at your 30s, 40, 60, even your 70 or 80s, you still have time to do whatever you want. Okay, so that's why I'm here. Okay, I'm here to show you guys some lights today, to make sure that AI can help you do something, to make sure that you turn from the number 3, which is you close your store and reopen it again today. All right. So again, first, thanks for showing up. Okay, big applause to all of you guys first, because 80% of success is just showing up. Okay, I have told you guys this Zoom gonna max out. Now we are already maxed out. We have 100 participants here. Those who cannot join it, sorry. Okay, even you show up, you have to go to the Facebook group to watch the live. Okay, but so that's why if you're here, okay, don't go away. Otherwise, you need to go to watch the replay. All right. So next, we have a tradition. Okay, we always have tradition. Okay, the tradition is whenever we learn something new, whenever you want to take action, whenever you have aha moment, okay, you're gonna type some 777. All right. So, but before we start the training, you know I have one more tradition. Anyone know what it is? Anyone know what it is? Breathing. Great. Alan, so let's do the breathing exercise, then we're going to go straight to the point. All right. Good. So, everyone just follow me. Just follow me. Okay. Close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Okay. Just listening to my voice. Listen to my voice. All right. So put your hand on your chest. Okay. Put your left hand or right hand on your chest. It's okay. Just one hand on your chest. Okay. Then we're going to breathe in. When we are breathing in, okay, we will make sure that your lung is not expanding. Your lung is flat. The things that is expanding is your stomach. That's why put your right hand on your stomach. So left hand on your lung, right hand on your stomach. Okay, and then we're going to do it. Okay, when you breathe in, we make sure you expand your stomach. Okay, let's do it. Breathe in, expand your stomach, expand your stomach. Keep breathing in, keep breathing in, keep breathing in. Hold it. And now breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. All right? Good. How with you? This is what we call diaphragmatic breathing. We only use our diaphragm to breathe. Okay, we try to slow down our breathing so that we will be more focused. A lot of people are controlled by your emotion. The only way to control your emotion is control your heartbeat. But we cannot control our heartbeat because heartbeat is controlled by what? By the neuron system. And the neuron system cannot be controlled. But how can we do it? We can control our breathing by breathing slowly. It can slowly affect the neuron system. And then that's why the heartbeat will become slower. When heartbeat becomes slower, what's going to happen? Okay, you will be less stimulated. Okay, that means when you are angry, you become calm. When you're really excited, you become calm. When you are really want to do something, and you can calm yourself down to make the right decision. All right. So if you feel much better, then just type 777 in the chat box. And now we're going to start. Okay. So who does that? Okay, 500 times of looking back in the past life only to exchange for a missed encounter in this life. All encounters are owed to each other. In Chinese, 前世500次的回味才换来今生擦肩而过，所有的相遇都是彼此亏欠。What it means? It means that it's going to take us 500 times in the previous life. It can be 500 years, 5,000 years, just so that we can meet each other. It could be you helped me in my previous life, and now it's my turn to help you guys. Okay, that's why. Just you don't need to look up on me. Okay, maybe I'm better than you right now, but it can be because previously you have helped me before in the previous life, and today I'm here to pay back. Okay, that's why whenever you meet anyone, cherish the time with them. It could be your mom, could be your dad, could be your children, could be your friends, could be anyone. Just make sure that treat everyone just like your kid. Treat everyone just like how much you love yourself. All right, so let's begin. So I started e-commerce in 2012, okay, and doing dropshipping since 2016. So you can see on this screenshot, November 24th, 2016, I have hit my 10K day, and I posted in somewhere I forgot. I still find a screenshot. It's a very old Shopify screenshot here. And then I've been doing it for like years and years and years. So it is still the old screenshot. I just do not have time to create a new one. So I just use the old previous presentation. But you can see the screenshot that we have been doing. We've done $4 million here and all these things, right? It's not much to brag about, but just show you that what is possible. All right. And here I am, time freedom, location freedom, financial freedom. That's why I'm not showing up much. But now I'm here because I got some new idea that I have to share with you guys. Okay. You do not need to spend 10 years. Okay. I'm going to teach you exactly what worked for me. Okay. Honestly. Okay. With the help of AI. All that I have taught you before in the past 2-3 years that you have been following me, all those can be done with AI right now. And it's an all-in-one AI. And I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. All right. So, what is YNC? So, we are YNC because we are called Noble Conscience. Okay, we're going to keep it short. Okay, we're going to share real knowledge and based on real experience. Everything I show you guys today are based on what I have done. Please do not listen to coach or teacher that they never done something or never achieved something, and what they do is just copying what they learn from books and then share with you guys. Because what they're doing, I'm not showing you what is working. Okay, and what works for me, it doesn't mean it works for you. I'm going to show you guys how you can do it yourself instead of showing you the exact method, because the methods means nothing. There is 1,000 or millions of ways to be successful, millions of ways to become rich. It doesn't mean that mine going to work for you. You need to find yours. I'm going to show you how I find mine so that you guys can find yours, so that it becomes your knowledge, becomes true wisdom, right? When we do the things that we love, passionate about, and we dream about, okay, instead of wasting time following others people's dream, okay? That's why you need to know who you are, you need to know where you are and why you are, right? So helping you is the same as helping me. Okay, helping you is the same as helping me. Some people can just jot this down. I know. If you think it's useful for you as this kind of quote, you can just jot it down. Helping you is the same as helping me. Because when I help you, I learn something new. When you are helping you as well, you can also in return helping me back again. Right? So no more selfishness and more selflessness. Okay, so our target is uplift 1 million people. I don't know how many of you guys have been impacting in the past few years or past few months. Okay, if you're doing something good, congrats, you're helping a lot of people. If you're not, no worry. Now it's time for you to start helping more and more people. All right. So next, feel free to ask questions, okay, in Zoom, in WhatsApp, or on Facebook. We have all the links for you guys. We have a team also helping you to answer any question as well. All right. And if I speak too fast, just let me know. Okay. I know I spent like past 5-10 minutes to introduce who I am and why you are here. But now we're going to go straight to the training. Okay. So why you need to start e-commerce? For the sales, clearly, right? You can hit like $5 million easily in like 2, 3, 4 years if you're working on it, right? You can do pre-on-demand. That means you're selling t-shirts. Okay, but I'll tell you, product sales is the service. That means you know you can make money from product sales. But what kind of thing we can sell? I'm going to show you guys later on. You can do pre-on-demand. Right now with AI, you can do pre-on-demand. You can just ask the AI to create image for you, and then you do pre-on-demand. I used to hire people. Okay, I used to hire people on Fiverr, on my team, and then I pay like hundreds of dollars, $1,000 just create image. But right now, you just need to do AI. It's pretty easy. I'm not going to show you how you can do it. Just pretty easy. Just go to Google, YouTube, how to create POD image, and then you can find a lot of answers. Those you can just find yourself, but you need to do it. Okay, this is, you can just do like $300,000, $450,000, I mean, US dollar. Just selling pre-on-demand, t-shirts, watches, blankets, okay, carpet, just like that. You can do a lot, way more design from this one, right? You can do ebook, digital courses, affiliate, ClickBank, all can be done with AI right now. Say a command to the AI, tell them, hey, what's an ebook about cats? Where ebook about to train your dog? Where ebook about how to be fashionable in men's fashion? Okay, where ebook about how to, I don't know, serve someone, whatever. Okay, all these things can be answered for you. You can create 1,000 word, 2,000 word, 3,000 word easily within like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, you can even have the Photoshop, okay, to create amazing PDF for you. All this stuff, right? Then customer, follower, assets. If I don't know how many of you guys have been following me since 2 years ago or 4 years or 3 years ago. If you have been building up your follower account, your account on Instagram, you should have at least 10K, 20K, even 50K or 100K already. I don't know how many of you guys here own an Instagram account that follow my strategy, and how many followers you have right now. I'm curious. If you're doing it every single day, you have a great and huge asset here. You just need to use it. Okay, you can do shout out, you can do list exchange, you can share here, share there, you can make a lot of money easy. Very simple, right? You can sell an asset, you can sell a store, you can sell a follower, you can sell email list, right? And you can provide services using your team or automated system. Then you can help other people to build e-commerce store. You can help other people to create a Facebook page, Instagram page, TikTok page, or whatever. Okay, you can help them to do customer service, help them to import products, right? And there's no way you can't do at least one of that, okay, unless you're just too lazy. I mean it. In the past 1 year or 2 years that I have not been here, those strategies still works until now. You have seen kids sharing screenshots that, hey, I just offer a service to someone, I charge them like $20, $50 an hour, and I'm now picking a 1K day. Just because of some of this. Are you doing it? Are you still working in your same old job, or are you trying to do something new? You're trying to change your circumstances right now, right? So if you are going to quit anything, okay, quit being lazy. quit making excuses, and quit waiting for the right time. So 3 key points here. Okay, you don't need to quit smoking, you don't need to quit all this stuff. Just try to quit being lazy first. Do something, learn something new. Okay, stop making excuses. Excuses cannot help anyone except you think it's useful. Okay, and quit waiting for the right time. Right now, you are here in my life. Why? But you guys type 3. You guys type you don't know what to do. You want to see me. But why you want to see me? Is there some reason behind it? Why? Maybe now is the right time. Okay, you do something. Now is the right time to kickstart again. All right. Okay. So definition of genius. This is something new. It is something new. I want you guys to really, really write down. Genius, okay, is someone who finds the right way. Okay, the right way to put in the right effort. Okay, in lesser time than others. 3 key points. 3 key points. They're able to find the right way. They mean the correct way, the correct method. And they are really, really hardworking. They put in the right effort. And then they're able to find those 2 things in a shorter time than any other people. And you need to do it. That's why people go to what? They go to study, go to learn, they go to join courses. Because when they watch the courses, they can know what are the things they should not do and what the method is correct. And as long as they find the correct way, the correct path, they go all in with the right method, the right effort. Right? And you just need to follow this guideline. Ask yourself, are you doing it the right way? Are you doing it with hard work? Okay? And are you taking too much time to think instead of doing it properly? And how can I stop you guys from annotating? Yes. Okay, remove this. All right. So next part. Pyramid. All right. So we're going to show you guys the 4 pyramid of success. You can see a pyramid of successful e-commerce business. The first one is winning products. The second one is product optimization. The third one is order fulfillment. And the last one is marketing. Just write down first. Okay, type done if you're done join this pyramid. Type done if you're done. Done, right? Okay. So for winning products, if you have time, I will highly recommend you guys go and watch those previous videos, but I'll give you guys some quick reminder. The first one, it has to be a trending categories. It has to be trending categories. I know I haven't talked about how to find trending category. I'm going to show you guys today. It has to be in demand. That means you know it's going up. There's uptrend. It has to be unique. You just need to follow these 3 criteria. A trending category is like, okay, you know, some collection is selling really, really good. And you need to go inside and you look for product that inside this collection. For example, it used to be people selling iPhone. Okay, it's smartwatches. Okay, smartwatch is a huge topic like past 10 years. And Apple, Samsung, Google, all these people hop in and they make huge amounts of money here. Trending category right now is AI. They go all in with AI. So can you just stop annotating? So can you just remove that? All right, but here, demand, okay, has to be unique. All right. Let me just show you how to do it. I'm using an app called POE. You guys can copy this link, POE.com. It basically gives you ChatGPT, GPT-4, Claude, Google, and all this stuff. You can just use one dashboard and access all this stuff. Right? And what you can do is just here to start dropshipping store in cat niche. Show me best category. Stop. You see, just something like that. You tell you the cat, you need to sell cat toy, you need to sell cat bags, cat furniture, cat grooming supplies. All this is going to show it to you. And you don't need to do any research. But there's some problems. There's some problems. The problem we face with those kind of AI tools is that most of the data, they are based on like 2-3 years ago. You cannot find that right now. Right now, you know, all this stuff is saturated. Cat toys are saturated. Okay, cat bags are saturated. All these are saturated. But there could be still money to be made in those categories. But how can we make money from them? Right? The problem we find is that, okay, there's no real-time data. right? And there's no filtering. You don't know which one is good, which one is perfect for you to start importing. Okay, I need to go back and forth. You go there and search it, ask a question, and then you go to Aliexpress, right? You go to Aliexpress and you search it. Okay, oh, I need to sell cat bags, and you go to search cat bags, right? Go to cat bags, and you go to here, and you put cat bags. And you get to give you like crazy amounts of results, right? There's like millions of products. You don't know how to start. And that's what the problem here. You don't know which one is good, right? I'll show you later on how you can shortcut yourself to this one. All right. Next one. Product optimization. Okay. Yep, you have a good product, but if you do not know how to optimize it, even you show the link in front of someone, they will not buy it. That's why you need to have good product title. The best is the product is SEO optimized. SEO optimized for the product title. Okay, what do you mean SEO optimized? That means people can search it easily on Google. Okay, and then product description as well. You make sure that your product description work, and then you know it will convert. All right, and then there will be watermark. There will be unique, and there will be watermark on all kind of images. You see, and you're going to find watermark like here. You see, whatever movie spy or something like that, you're going to remove it. And some watermark even inside the product description. Right? Let's say you don't want the Chinese word. Okay, you don't want those logo there. How can I do it? Right? How do we remove it? Right? So you still do it. You still need to do it manually. I know some of you guys maybe use Canva, you use Photoshop, or you hire someone to try to delete those kind of watermark. But import one product could take you 20, 30, even 1 whole hour. Okay, so ask yourself, how many hours, how many minutes, how long time you need to import one product? Okay, I can save you time, a lot of time with the help of AI. Later on, all right? So the problem right now is the title is not SEO friendly. You cannot show it on Google. Google cannot find your product. You need to copy and paste. I know even right now, Shopify had the I think it's the product description AI to help you to write it. I tried it. It's not as good. You need to have a lot of command. It's not based on what you have. You need to give them a lot of things, and then you try to create something. You keep optimizing it. It's not what I want, right? And not to mention bulk editing. You need to bulk edit to remove the watermark, okay? Or what I mean is how you can generate a unique photo for your ad. Every photo you use on Aliexpress can be used by someone else. You need to create your own one. Maybe a better background, a better model, a better, I don't know, like color or contrast to make sure you stand out from all kind of Facebook ad or Instagram ad or TikTok. But how can we do it? Right? Number 3, order fulfillment. Okay, this is the most difficult part. I mean, the most troublesome part in my business as well. Okay, there will be supplier that suddenly out of stock. Right? There will be supplier that try to increase the price suddenly and without noticing you. And then you want to have fastest delivery based on different countries. For example, you can use the US seller, US supplier, and ship to US. And you want to ship to maybe Australia with Australian seller, or depends on which supplier have a cheaper price to Australia, and then use that one. We used to do it like one by one. I need to search for the same product and then go to there and check the shipping price and all these things just to do that. But do you know right now that you can do all this by just by the AI? And variable mapping. Variable mapping. What do you mean? They mean I want to, maybe this product is white color. And only this supplier has it. I want it to ship to the US. I use this supplier. And another one, let's say brown color. I want to use it to ship to Australia. But I want it to ship from China because China to Australia is cheaper from US to Australia. How can you do it? Okay, you can do that right now with very easy one click. All right. But most of the time right now, we cannot find any solution until. Okay, I'm going to show you later on. All right. 4, marketing. Unique creative that you can use for Facebook ad that no one can copy from you. And for organic sales, we want to have SEO title and product description that you can use and get a lot of organic reach just on Google, on Bing, on all these other platforms. Okay, and all this you need to do it one by one. Okay, I used to put the organic marketing like at the last, and I don't want to touch it. But with AI, it's so easy. Just give me an SEO title that works. Okay, give me an SEO product description that works. But the thing is, those are not real time. SEO title and SEO optimized product description, those AI written for you may not be really SEO optimized because you do not know which keyword rank the best. You do not know which keyword can help you the most that can give you in the first page of Google. I'm going to show you guys how. Right? So that's why, what if, okay, there's a tool that can show you the best selling categories, okay, and give you direct access to Aliexpress so you know, okay, so you know which product is ranking really, really good right now on Aliexpress, which one can have the most sales, and which one can show you, and also it can have an SEO optimized title, image optimization, how to remove watermark, order management, okay, direct Aliexpress customer service team support. Do you know what this means? How many of you have been dealing with Aliexpress and they suck? Basically, they do not know how to handle your case. They do not follow up with your case, and they just ignore you. What if I tell them right now, you're going to have a team that is from Aliexpress, that they're able to follow up your order and to help you to handle all this crazy stuff. And this is the only thing that what I'm going to show you that we offer this. All right, and much more. All right, so all in one app. So we're going to introduce you, okay, the Dropshipping Copilot. Okay, so basically that's the name. We're going to keep it easy. We just call it Copilot. I'm not the one who created you. The one who created you is is the official partner of Alibaba and Aliexpress. And they have a huge team. And they based on my suggestion and my advice and created one that's suitable for all of you to use it. That based on what I listed previously. So let me just show you the demo. So this is the Dropshipping Copilot. So you can see on the left-hand side, we can find supply. Okay, we can find supply. Okay, see. Let me just redo it. Okay, you can just ask a question. Just ask a question and ask him to find you product. Okay, ask you to find a product. So let's say I want to start a dropshipping store selling cat item. And then I click send. And you're going to type, okay, to create a cat lover, a dropshipping store selling cat items should have stock variety of products like cat toys, cat beds, cat clothing, cat accessory. And the most important thing is it's going to give you the product directly here. Yeah, cat bed, cat clothing, okay, cat grooming products, and all this stuff. Yeah, that's two red line on my screen. Someone just joined there, and then I do not know how to remove it. How can we remove? Clear. Just done. Good. Okay, better here. So all these categories are the one that based on AI that's working right now. And this AI directly linked to Aliexpress that shows you the product based on those categories. So let's say cat clothing. I go inside, or let's say cat bag. I go inside. You're going to show you all the products from Aliexpress with all the sales, how many stock they have, okay, average dispatch time, how many days they need to ship it out, okay, and you can filter it based on, let's say, ship from USA. Free shipping, 15-day delivery. Okay, I want to sell at maximum, let's say $5 and maximum $30. Okay, and then I click confirm. You can filter the product just like that. Now I know that the product that is at least $5. Okay, I can even sort by order. I say the one that have the most sales will be this one. Okay, all will be clear within one dashboard, and it's quick because they are direct access to Aliexpress. It's not API access, it's just direct access. Getting data for Aliexpress. It's not crawling, it's not scraping. I know there's a lot of product research tools out there. They are scraping, they're crawling data every single day with their server, but not this one. This one is live, fresh, directly. That means when you click it there, it's there. All right. So let's say I want to import a product. So now we know how to find products. We know how to find category. So now we're done. We just click this two button, right? I want to import it. I put to import list. Now these two products, we go to my import list. Then move on. Let's go to cat's clothing. Okay, I like this one. I like this one. I like that one. Okay, and then I click to import list. Okay, you can do this like all by one. Like I can import like easy, 20, 30 products just like that. And then next one, you can go to import list. Okay, you're gonna see all the products you plan to import. Okay, and now here's come the most important part. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, let's say this t-shirt. I'll edit it. Right, you click this edit button. It will show you all the variant and all this stuff. Right? You can change the price, just like what you do with Deezer or Opera, all this stuff. Okay, what I want to show you guys is the image. Now look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 6 images there, and they all have so-called watermark. Brown, red, orange, and you don't like it. It's not looking good on the store. You want to remove it. What do? You click one-click optimization. Okay, you click this remove watermark button. You click it. Just kind of 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 20 seconds, okay? Somehow, it will remove the button, the color, or the text, brown, right? Give it some time, done. That's it. How long? 10 seconds, 20 seconds, just like that. Okay? You can even batch remove, okay? See on the right hand side, batch remove a watermark. You just select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? You can see. And then you just click confirm and then done. They're going to do it for you. All right. So this is going to help you to remove the watermark. So, why yet ask, how do we know all these are winning? No. So those are not winning product yet. Those are product crawled by Aliexpress, and we still need to use our, our strategy to find a winning product. They still need to use our strategy to find a winning product. They just crawl you the data, they're working the best there. All right. I will show you guys later on in the future training about how we use it. And now you can see all gone, all the watermark gone. Just like that. And then you just, okay, good. And then you just use on product detail page. Done. And then you can push it to your store. Right? It's pretty quick. Next, product title. So this part, please look at it. I mean, pretty important. Okay, see CPC and all this thing. Okay, CPC all this thing. Okay, let me show you an even better one. I think this one I like to use this one demo. Okay, in the product title. Okay, in the product title. I want to change the product title. I don't know whether I want to do like what we call SEO optimized. Okay, you can click this one, you click search. It will give you instant result from Google CPC. It will show you right now, dog tag, it will show you what kind of keyword and how much search volume. What is the CPC right now? And you can, based on this keyword, and then create a unique product title for your product store. Yes, let's say, okay, let's say I use a very simple one, a dog tag for dog, select. Okay, and then I want to have maximum 15 words. Okay, you can just check your tones or whatever. I don't want to change it. Just click create. Okay, and now you can see, elevate your canine convenience style with personalized dog ID tag. Okay, all this you can use. Just like that. You can change the length of the keyword and then you can regenerate. Just use it directly and just use that. Can you just use this one? Make it personalize your canine convenience style with blah, blah, blah. Use it there. Can you use it? And then you tell you to change it. All right. Then AI product description. That's the part can save you the most amount of time. Okay, you can do the same thing. Do the same thing. You can base on keyword. You can do it based on what? You can base on paragraph. But the safest time, I just click generate. Let me just click here. Okay, I click generate. You have to rewrite the whole paragraph here, and then give you the description that is related to this one and can be useful directly on the Shopify page. Okay, until here, any question? Someone try to help me. Let me just approve that first. So some say, do I have to log into DS all these things? All this? So we show you guys how we can use it. We can show you guys how we can use it. Later on. Okay, we show you guys. You will be amazed. Okay, the price of this one. Okay, I mean, like when you guys see it, you know it. Okay, so give it some time. Just keep going. Okay, just close this tab first. Close this one first. Here, give it some time. Yeah. Yeah, it could take a while because we're doing live streaming. Okay, go to another page. All right, so you can remove watermark with that you have obvious keyword here, obvious logo here, and you can also remove watermark that if it is on the image. For example, this one. Can you see that right now here? Those kind of watermark is the most difficult to remove, right? But you can use the tools called brush. Okay, and then you just highlight this part. Okay, and then you click remove watermark. The AI will do the tricks for you. Okay, done. This one done. You see? So you have to you elaborate. You have to write a paragraph. You put a specification here. You tell the attention, and all the image still there. You have to prove with the grammar. I know some of you guys may be pretty lazy, just use the same thing they write on Ali and they put it there, but they may have huge grammatic issues, mistake. And now those are all done. Then I just click use on product detail page. Okay, and then I just need to close this one, and then now all this will be ready. All I need to do, I just click. Okay, go to variant. So let's say I want to import this 5 of them, let's say, and then I just click save and push Shopify. How much I want to sell? Let's say I just use the default one, confirm, and then it pushes Shopify, just like that. As simple as it is. This is product import. You do the research inside the app, and you do a product research, import all these things within the same app. You don't even need to go to Aliexpress. All right. So you can see the watermark is still doing. It's not good. You can just do it again, right? Just highlight this part, and then click again. And we easily remove it. All right. Then back to here. They have a really, really good tools called image search. Let's say you have the image. Okay, you have an image. Maybe you find it on Amazon. You find it on YouTube. You just screen capture it, upload there, and then their tools will help you to find the product. Just like that. Pretty easy. You need to use Aliexpress and use the image search, right? You just do it directly here, and we show you the supplier as well. But I don't want to do a demo here. It's just pretty simple, but it can help you save you a lot of time. Right? Let me see. Done. You see? Now it's all removed. The hand is still there. The pencil's there. Everything looks the same. But the watermark's gone. Just like that, you can remove it. Okay, you're going to save a lot of time within one app. All right? So, import list. Let me see what else. Yeah, you can import product, you can do all this thing, crazy stuff. Those are not the main thing. The main is order fulfillment. For order fulfillment, this app is the official one for Aliexpress. That means you do not need to go to Aliexpress page to pay your order. You just need to click the pay button directly on this page. You can help you to pay it. Okay, that means you don't need to go to Aliexpress, select this order, and then pay, and then fill the capture, what the crazy stuff. You don't need to do it anymore. Order fulfillment all done within this app. Okay, all this stuff will be here. Okay, so this is the things. You can do it all by here. Okay, delete Deezer now. All right. I would say this is the direct competitor to Deezer, and Deezer gonna like out of business really soon. All right. Another thing is US spelling, can everything in UK spelling. I think this is something that can be changed. If I put the same criteria for regulation, can we get all the same product? We suggested how can we be different to other people? So here, let me go back to here. This is still just a tool. It will recommend you products, okay? But the way we pick the products are still based on our experience. For those of you who are from our mastermind, you know it, how we pick products. You all have our strategy of picking product. You know how to determine whether it's a unit or not. Right? But in short, it saves you tons and tons of time that I do not need to go to Aliexpress and look at some products. And then I need to click this and save it later and then import it one by one. All I need to do right now, I can do all of it within one app and a pretty sleek performance and speed and unloading. No VA later in the future. Does it work for Amazon? Okay, for Amazon, I can answer you yet, but it can be added. But you just need to use the image upload button to push the Amazon button there, Amazon product there, the picture, and it will help you to find the related products. All right. So let me show you one more thing. Some ask about supplier. Guess what? Put them here. Okay, menu checking. How can we find a supplier with lowest cost and all this stuff? Right? They can help you do that. You can click this one. I think it's 5 products. Then you can do the mapping. Right, you click the mapping button, it will show you recommendation and all the different suppliers selling the existing products. And you can easily pick which one is better, and you can edit. Okay, so this is the part you can compare different suppliers. You can look at the price, right? You can look at all these things and which one is better, and then use that one. Okay, to help you to have a better supplier within just one click. You don't need to search it one or the other. They will have it do it through the AI. Okay, gonna save you a lot of time just because of this one. All right, so let me see anything else. So I may have missed out something, but I'm gonna give the stage. I'm gonna give the time, okay, to the team behind this amazing software. All right, let's just quickly go through this. Okay, so I show you how to one-click bulk watermark and logo removal. I show you how to find SEO-driven content to optimize your ROI. You can earn higher margin through direct sourcing for Aliexpress, and you can find a better supplier. Okay, and you can have there's some more crazy future features that they're gonna show you by the team. All right. So let me introduce you Claire. So she has been working in Alibaba, I mean it, in Alibaba for 7 years, and 3 of those years in Aliexpress. And that's the reason why we have direct access to Aliexpress database. And she's the team leader behind an amazing team to create this product called Dropshipping Copilot. So now I'm going to give the stage to Claire to show you guys all the new feature and also how much does it cost. All right. So Claire, let me just allow you to mute yourself. Okay, Claire, you can just start your video. Good.
Hi. Hello, everyone. A big thanks to Ike for the invitation. And my name is Claire, and I've been working at Alibaba for 7 years, with 3 of those years at Aliexpress. Currently, I'm in charge of user and product operations for Dropshipping Copilot project. I'm so happy to be here to connect with all of you today. Dropshipping Copilot is our first product. And Ike, would you please go to the next slide? Okay, thank you. And our goal is to harness the power of AI to create a fantastic product that simplifies the process of managing your dropshipping business. We've streamlined the entire process with AI, as so many of you may just said. So you will spend less time and effort to reach your business goals, and we also hope to gain rapid market recognition this year. To achieve this, we've made some preparations in advance. Firstly, direct access to Aliexpress's backend database, as Ike just mentioned. This allowed us to provide the most accurate and up-to-date product data for all our features. Secondly, a strong technical team. Over 80% of our team members are technical staff. Some of them graduated from Stanford University, the University of Chicago, and so on. This ensures our product updates about every 2 weeks. This capability enables us to adapt and respond to market demands more efficiently. Thirdly, partnership with Ike. Before we launched our product, we worked with Ike in a bunch of collaboration sessions. Guided by Ike's business philosophy, we designed and tweaked some key features, making Dropshipping Copilot an even friendly tool for your dropshipping needs. Today, and we also prepared an exclusive promotions for Ike's live stream event today. I'm going to also to share with you our new features. If you know Ike, you may know that he has a unique approach to selecting winning products. We worked closely with him on product features, and we are gearing up to launch in August exclusive features that uses his signature product selection technique. The first version will concentrate on 2 core features, winning products and hot-selling products. You can enter from the top banner of the Find Supplier page. Click on the banner and you can access an exclusive selection of products. You will see, maybe go to the next slide, thanks. You will see selected items with constantly growing sales in the past 14 days and make it easier for you to find the ideal products for your store. In addition, you can filter and sort the products for more refined selections. We will sorry, please, can keep, yeah. We will roll out the complete product selection features in phases. So please stay tuned for the updates. I'm also going to share you another new features. Yeah, we are also planning to launch an image background editing features. For example, on the left is original product image from the Aliexpress, and on the right is the AI enhanced one. These features make it easier for you to present products in a stylish and attractive way that's sure to interest customers. Nick, maybe you can go to, yeah, we can show the audience. And also the next page. So we'll let you know when the features is launched. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about the pricing plan. There are 4 main kinds of features in the Dropshipping Copilot. In the Find Supply sessions, we have 3 new features coming soon. The first one is a free store diagnostic features to give you an in-depth understanding of your store's performance and potential of cost optimization. Along with the diagnostic feature, we'll launch a supply chain cost optimization features, recommending better suppliers with similar fulfillment levels. These 2 features are expected to launch between the late August and the early September. Just as I just mentioned, the winning product and top selling product features will be launched in the early August. And also in the task management session, maybe in the next slide, some key features will include ordering and paying in batches within Dropshipping Copilot. I think Yak just asked this question. So you don't need to switch to Aliexpress to complete the payment, and only our solution can do this. If you subscribe to the professional plan, you will have access to our dedicated customer support team to help you solve challenging after-sale issues. And I think other tools you really cannot do this as well. And we also don't limit the number of linked store, product listing, or employee accounts on Dropshipping Copilot. So within Dropshipping Copilot, we provide a one-stop service that conveys most of your dropshipping operations, saving your time and cost switching between different apps. For example, some watermark removal tools on the market usually charge almost $300 per month for 5,000 images. With Dropshipping Copilot, you will get unlimited watermark removal, and these features only just for $12.9 per month. So instead of spending money on lots of different apps, you get everything you need in just one place. Thanks.
All right, so thanks, Claire, for the introduction to the Dropshipping Copilot. So you can see, and just show you guys here, the cost. Okay, so this is what I'm going to give you guys here. So you have access to 30 days free trial. Okay, you also have a limited time 30% off first payment. That means if you go for the yearly plan, that's only $90 for all these things. DS, sir, is more expensive than that one within just a few months. All below is even crazier, you know. So that's why this is a tool, I would say, it's going to change the whole industry. And this is the first time for the public launch. I cannot say it's public launch. It's a beta launch within our group. We are the first and only one that have direct access to, you can see this one, the upgraded Aliexpress after-sales customer service team, the unit price, all this stuff. Because we cannot guarantee their team going to offer the same thing again in future version. Not to mention the 30-day free trial. That mean what? All these things are unlimited. You can remove the watermark. You can remove all the crazy stuff. You can do SEO optimization on your product title, and all these things. Think about it. Just $90 per year. I would say, where you can get this kind of deal is cheaper than $1 per year. That's why you can $1 per day. That's why I tell you guys, this team is crazy. This team is insane. You can see that the technical team is 80% of the team. They can push out new feature every 2 weeks. That means what? That means when you're inside this team, inside the package, you just need to tell them, hey, I want to improve this, I want to request this feature. They can get it done basically within 2 weeks. And that's how fast they can push out the products, how fast they can push out new feature. Someone asks, hey, can I get a better winning product suggestion? All these things is all on their roadmap. Okay, all these things can keep changing and keep improving. They're here to change the dropshipping industry. And not to mention just $90 per year, or you just go for the monthly plan, just $9. Even the image optimization app I told you guys last time, you know it, right? I told you guys optimize your image one by one. You're gonna cost you no just $20 for 100 image. No, it's free. It's all free. Okay, so if you think this is cheap and you want a link to access it, then just type 777 in the comment box, and their team will give you the link. Remember that. Do not go to search for their link. Only my link will give you the percentage discount and give you the 30 days free trial. Right? I know some of you guys do not have a Shopify store yet. No worry, just go there and register your account first, and you can set up a store later on. Think about it, it's even cheaper than the Shopify subscription. There's no way you can get it from elsewhere. All right. So I see a lot of 777. Okay. The Copilot team, can you guys share the link in all the group? So let me just see if you guys can do it. So the Copilot team going to share the link there. So remember, the Copilot, we have nearly 10 different Copilot team here in the group. They're here to serve you. Think about it. Just this live event, there's like 10 customer support members here just to serve you guys. It's way more. Think about it. If 100 people join the live, it's 1 to 9. So one people going to help you guys, one people going to serve you guys one by one. So all you need to do is just make sure you click the link on the computer. Okay, or you just type this thing on the computer, m.ecomtip.com/ds. Okay, you can go to the link. It's pretty straightforward. The link is just like that. Wait, not this one. Let me just open it. Okay, there's a link for you to sign up. Go there, open it on a computer. Okay, do not use it on your phone because it can only track it on computer. Okay, it may not work if you do it on your mobile. You just do that, you send an email verification, you set a password, and click create account, then done. That's it. Okay, then you can connect your store, you can do all these things later on. Right? And if you need any help, you can just feel free to reach out to us on the WhatsApp group. Okay, inside the WhatsApp group, you will see people with a name called Dropshipping Copilot. They're gonna send you a message, or you can message them directly. Again, do not trust those that pretended to be their team. Okay, they will verify you if they're their team. Okay, so just talk to them, and they're gonna help you get you fixed up with all the setup. Right? And just because of this, okay, you can say the public launch or beta launch. Me personally, gonna give you guys some bonus. Okay, give you guys some bonus. Okay, I will give you guys another round of live product research training for those of you who opt in for the annual plan. Okay, if you join the annual plan or even the monthly plan, it doesn't matter. As long as you're part of them, okay, I will give you guys a private training later on, maybe the next 2 to 3 weeks, to show you guys how you can use the tools, because they're going to launch a new feature in the next few weeks, so you can use it together. I will show you all the demo, how you can use the tools together. All right, so okay, where's the link? Okay, let me send the link here. Okay, can I see the link here? Okay, send a link in the Zoom already. Send a link in the group. Can I say the WhatsApp? Okay, wait. Where's the link? I save the link. Yeah, currently it only works with Shopify, but you can use the feature, the AI search, or all these things, even though you without any Shopify. Okay, can you guys see the link? It's the link, right? Good. Thanks. Okay, let me also send on Facebook as well. For those who are on Facebook, can you also see the link? All right, so continue. For those of you who are signing up, let me just continue. All right, so we got a quote from Alibaba, from Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba. Okay, he said something. 让天下没有难做的生意. Okay, to make it easy to do business anywhere. Can you see it from these tools? Just like that. They're literally doing the things like this. The team behind this app are basically following the motto, okay, of Jack Ma. They create a software that can do all in one, from finding products, finding supplier, importing products, image optimization, product description, to order fulfillment. Okay, even following up with Aliexpress, all within one app. And that's the app that we dream about. That's the app that we want. And that's the app that we create together. That's why for the past few weeks, I have been working with them actively, and with all our students as well, that you offer help, like JL and all the other members. I appreciate you guys help. This app gonna be unique to us. Okay? Gonna be unique to us, that you're gonna be an edge in dropshipping. It's gonna change the whole industry. Just because this. Okay, don't tell me that, I cannot start my dropshipping business. I do not have money. Can you even cannot squeeze like just $90 per year to start all these things? You're going to save you even more money on subscribing all the other ads. Okay, even 30 days free trial, it will be enough for you to do a lot of stuff. Okay, what about shipping time? You're going to show you the time, the shipping as well, like the 5 days, 7 days delivery will also be there. Yeah, for some of you guys that for JL, yep, you're right. Yep, you're gonna get the access to that one. No need to do that one. Okay, JL. So feeling. Okay, the speed of making a decision equal the speed of success. Okay, the first 3 seconds is feeling. It's our higher self, your subconscious help you to make feeling. You feel that, oh my God, this is something I want to do it. For example, the love at the first sight. You love that girl on the first few seconds, that's it. That's the girl you want to go for. Okay, you will not think about, okay, is it rich? Her have a lot of money? Is she beautiful? Or is it no? Just the third few seconds, you know it's the right one. You're gonna go for it, and that's your dream girl. The same thing when you see an app, when you see a coach, when you see a teacher, when you see a software, you like it, go ahead, test it out, use it first. Okay, hey, and make sure that open the link in the computer, okay, on the computer, not on the mobile phone. All right, so 师傅领进门，修行在个人。Teacher opens the door for you, and you enter by yourself. The master only leads you to the door, and the rest is up to you. Okay, you are the one who take action. I give you all the things. Okay, it's been 1 whole year I haven't been there. There's no point for me to suddenly pop up and do a live training. Not until the Dropshipping Copilot team reach out to me. Why? Because I know you guys need it. I know you guys need to do this. There's no excuses. It used to be really, really difficult. I know some of you have joined a 5-day training. You watched all 5-day training, like 20 hours of training, and you still don't know what to do. But what about right now? You know the supplier, you know all the product import, you know all these things. You can do like 20 product import within 2 hours, just like that. Okay. When the student is ready, the teachers arrive. So you guys are here. You guys have a chance to do this. Just do this. Okay. Just put your email, sign it up. Okay. No need to waste time thinking about it anymore. All right. So I got people asking about, hey, you are not receiving the email code. Make sure to check the spam folder, because right now, imagine 90 people request for the link, the server going to have some issues, right? So make sure to wait for a while, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or request again, maybe after 30 seconds or 1 minute. All right. So who has already registered? Type 777 in the chat box. So I know that you guys are here so that we can see in your back end. So the team can follow up with you. And I will open another WhatsApp group only for people who are inside there, so that the Copilot team can give you guys a private support. So I'm going to give you guys a Google form. I'm going to give you guys a Google form. Everyone in the meeting. Okay. This with the form, if you have registered, fill in the form. Make sure you also put in your maybe WhatsApp number. Let me see if any WhatsApp number. Yeah, the WhatsApp number. Okay, if you have, so that I can add you to the WhatsApp group, so the team can use it as well. Let me also add it to the Econ Club. Okay, after register, click that form. Okay, click that form. Okay, put in your name, put in the email you use in the registration. Really important. That's the part how we verify you. Again, in your WhatsApp phone number, so private one-on-one support. And I know this is really, really raw. Okay, because we're going to do it like within ourselves. So the Copilot team will have access to you guys, and they will be able to reply when you have any request. Think about it. Just $7 per month or $90 per year, you get all this support from the amazing team. Okay, you cannot compare this software with the software developed outside. This is software by the team behind the Alibaba, the team behind the Aliexpress team. All right. So, okay, confirm the Shopper link in your store and to I have no store now. Yep, you have no store, then you just skip this part. You can register the store later on. Already closed my Shopify store. How to proceed? You can register first, and then you can open your Shopify store later on. All right. So we have Sonia, we have Rag, we have Nicholas. Okay. Already closed with things. Good. All right. So make sure to fill in this form, and you guys can access it. Okay. So, last but not least, we learn by doing through practice, and the athletes become powerful. Okay, now we give you the tools for you to practice. It's very easy, right? Just one every day, go to the store, go to the app, right? Go to find supplier, and then just ask AI some question. You can change the question a little bit. You want to do other prototype, niche, just search for dog. Let's say, I want to start a dropshipping store selling dog item. Okay, and then you click send. You're going to give you another things. I'm going to show you other prototype. Okay, you can use it. Okay. Some of you guys, I'm lazy. I don't even want to search. Then wait for the next feature, the feature that give you the hot selling product top corner that show on here. Let me show you this one. Is this one, right? Yeah, this one. Okay, winning products and hot selling products. Those will be added in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, and we'll keep improving. And there will be trend and more option added for each of every product. Then you may be able to see how many order they have in the next, and let's say in the last 14 weeks or last 30 days, so you can filter out those products. That means you want to only have products in the last 14 days have a surge of sales, let's say 15 order, then you use that one. They even save you more time. Okay, you cannot do that on AliExpress. Okay, there may be other dropshipping spying app can do that, but those spying app cost you $90, even $120 or $200 just for 1 month, and they are basically squeezing yourself. But this one, all in one, just like that. Okay. So we have Alex from the team. We're clear from the team in the Zoom. If you have questions, you can feel to ask them. I didn't get the discount. If you don't get a discount, make sure you open a link on the computer. If you cannot see a discount, maybe you try to register with another email. Okay, use the computer link again. If still not working, the Copilot team can still manually help you to change it, to improve it, to move the discount onto your account. Okay?
Yeah. And please try to use Chrome to open this link.
Use Chrome, okay? Use Chrome to open the link. Make sure there's no ad blocker, there's no anything like that one, okay?
And if you didn't get a discount for now, maybe you can just fill in the form you just shared, and we will do it manually later on. And you can also add our customer support team members, Alex and Earl from the group, and they can deal with that with you.
Yeah. So I already got like 20 responses already from the form, really quick. You guys are good. You can add really, really quick. Okay, so make sure you fill out that form. Like I can let you know right now, you guys still are the first batch. Yes, you guys are in the soup. You guys are in the soup. So you guys have a link to the Google form and all this stuff. I still haven't shared in a Facebook group yet. So you guys will be the first batch to be in process. To make sure you guys are on board perfectly. Okay, before we share to the public. I've even sent out email for all these things first. We'll make sure that maybe the first 20 people, first 30 people or 60 people can be done to get it done first. And I forgot to mention one thing. This offer only lasts till the 15th of August. Okay, 15th of August. Okay, this is the private deal we make with them. I don't know whether they want to extend it or not, but right now, until 15th of August, that means you guys have 2 weeks to sign up. Okay, before they make the decision, maybe before they remove the upgrade AliExpress sales customer service the support. Okay, maybe they remove some of the feature. We cannot guarantee it. But right now, those are the things that you lock in. Okay, imagine this is something what we call like a lifetime deal. The deal that you access to this kind of plan. The plan that may not change. But in the future batch of customer, they may change it because they're late, right? So you guys are the lucky one. Right? So any question you want to ask, it can be not related to the app, it can be about anything. You can feel free to ask me. You don't have any store yet, can I still subscribe? Yes, you can still subscribe. Okay, and okay. For those, let me see. Hi, Alex. Yeah. So there's a WhatsApp group link to join another producer. Yeah. So make sure you join the WhatsApp group link as well, so that we can help you guys with that one. So let me see if I miss any question. So any question about the app? Any question about anything that I haven't answered? So when we have 25 people already sign up free in the form. All right. Let me see if I can show you guys something. So to be honest, the one that I like the most is just the logo removal. This is gonna save you a lot of time. Oh, one more thing. I think the team talked about whether, because right now currently the watermark removal only apply on the product photo, the album photo, not yet inside the product description. Okay, so if you guys, let's say this year, we have 30 people in this group, all requesting it to able to remove the watermark in the product description, the team gonna put it in the first priority and help you to fix it. Okay, that's the key things about the what we call the private group support. So if you see the very important feature that you guys really requesting it, we're gonna help you guys to fix it as well. Okay, I can't register as it keeps saying register fail. After skipping a link to the store, I was in this page. What else do I do now? Try to click the app again on a Shopify. Can we link more than one store? Yes, you can link to unlimited store. That's the key feature. Unlimited store. Okay. All you need to do, just go to Shopify App Store. You can search for the app again and then install to that app to your new store, and then you log in with the same login. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? That means you go to your second Shopify store, and then you go to the App Store and search for Dropshipping Copilot. It's already there. The Dropshipping Copilot is already official app on Shopify. It's not some third-party app. It's official from Shopify already. You go to Shopify App Store, you can search for it. Then you go to here, App Store, and then you just search for it. Okay, you see it. All right, you can see it there. And you just click it. You log in with the login you just used on your previous store, and then they will be linked together. All right, so water, and if you got question, keep saying register file. Maybe you can try to use with another email. How do I install on a different store with one subscription? Or can I collaborate on my subscription? Yes. Unlimited user. Unlimited user. That means as long as your Shopify account, you give them the employee account on your Shopify, and then you click the app here on Shopify. Okay, that means the Copilot app, and you'll be able to use it. You're able to log in your account directly and process the order. Okay. So if you already registered on one store through the link and you want to install on a second store, the team gonna create another step-by-step guide for you guys later on. But the easiest way, you just go to app, Shopify app, okay, and you search for Dropshipping Copilot, and then you install it on your second store. After you install it, you click it, it will ask you to log in with your Copilot access. Then you log in there, and it will show you there will be 2 stores on the top right corner. You click it, it's gonna show you 2 stores here. All right. Can we have organic traffic training in the future? Yeah, we can, okay. I don't mind. It's pretty easy right now, okay, for the SEO optimized. Just using Shopify, how to relink supplier to this app for current products. Okay, to relink app for this current product, I don't know. We do let Claire to clarify that one. So Claire, if they already have product imported using other app, how can they link it with this one?
Yes, we will provide external tools to help you with it, and the new tool will be released maybe in the end of August. Maybe you can just try to use our Dropshipping Copilot tool to find some new products as well. And when our new tool is ready, I will let you know.
Okay, so basically, use the Copilot tool for new product first. For all the previous products, the team will give you external tools by the end of this August to help you to relink every product pretty easily. So basically like one click. So they will help you to have a very smooth transition. And that's the reason why they have the private support for you guys. Okay, so can we order bulk? Yes, you can do order bulk within the same app. Okay, then you go to setting, you connect your store and all this thing, and then you go to order fulfillment, you're gonna see all your order, and you just click the order, and then you can bulk payment. Wait. Okay. So is it possible? You can watch the reply on Facebook. Okay. You can watch the replay on Facebook. Just go to your Econ Club. You're gonna watch the replay there. It's pretty straightforward. Will there be any training on how to use it? Yes, there will be training on how to use it. The team gonna push out a really long list of knowledge base and all this stuff for you guys on how to use it. Okay, and if you need any help, maybe you even need like a private section. The team will offer a private session for you guys. We may hold another Zoom meeting for all of you to hop on so that they will show you the demo exactly how to install on the store. Okay, okay, so any question? Those who watch the replay can also sign up at that time, not necessary for sign up. Yes, you can say that. You can set up later on if you cannot do it right now. Okay, just that the team will offer more direct asset, you can say direct service for help you guys more privately for the first batch, first people, other people. Okay, so at this current moment, the team will offer one-on-one customer service to all of you. That means if you need any help, send that. You can send a message on our WhatsApp group. Then the team will reach out to you in a private chat to make sure that you guys get everything fixed. Okay, they have a huge team, no worry. They have like 10, 20 people working on this project just for the customer service, and they have another 80% of them working on the technical team. So no worry on that part. So if you guys need help, just go to the WhatsApp group, ask a question. The team member will reach out to you, and then they will help you to fix all those stuff. Where to watch the replay? The replay will be on Facebook group. Okay, the replay is here. You go to our group, Econ Club, and then you refresh it. You'll be able to see the live there. I think it's there. We're still doing live, right? Yeah, it is right there. Okay, you can see 20x comment, all these things. So you can just go there and watch it. Finally, sign up. We'll upgrade to 1 year. Great, Joe. Awesome. Okay, test it out. Okay, I mean it. Take action. I've told you guys here. You learn by what? You learn by practicing. Okay, what I tell you, what I show you, just demo. You need to play it first. In the beginning, the app's still really, really raw. That means it may not have a lot of amazing UI or amazing product, but it's the best thing I found right now. You can let a team to improve it later on, bit by bit, but I want to show you guys that you can be part of it first. Okay, when you guys find any problem, any question, just tell to the team can improve it. Okay, the most important thing is just learn how to use it. Okay, even I give you the tools, if you do not know how to use it, you know how to use it properly, there's no point. Okay, so that's why I've given you the tools that can do a lot of stuff. But whether you want to use it or you just put it on a shelf and don't care about it, and that will be up to you. All right, so you have to make good use of tools that is available to you right now. Okay.
Go to what?
Huh? Oh, so the app only linked to Aliexpress, not to Alibaba. Okay, the app only linked to Aliexpress. I don't know whether the team will do it through will link to Alibaba or not in the future. I'm not sure. It could be on the roadmap. We are not sure yet. But right now, Aliexpress will be the main feature. Okay, because I know you guys think that Alibaba is very cheap and we can do that. Okay, but just let them make it the best app right now first. Okay, and then later on we can increase the capacity to do more stuff. All right. Where do I go to upgrade to the $90 per free plan? I think it's the upgrade plan button there. The upgrade plan button there. You click there, and then you can follow the instruction. There, I think there's a button. Let me just click on it. You can see yearly billing. There's something called yearly billing. You click yearly billing. Okay, you should be there. You guys should have the discount. You guys receive 30-day free trial, and then it should be $90 per year. Okay. So upon sign up, I can get a purpose. Yes. Okay. After you sign up, make sure to fill in the Google form. Okay, I've sent you guys the Google form. Let me just send it again. Okay, you need to fill in the Google form so the team can help me to verify that you have already signed up properly, and then I will let you guys know later on how you can get access to all this stuff. Okay, so the Google form is here. Okay. The link to sign up is here. Let me just copy again. All right. So if you are not able to see $99 plan there, no worry. Send a private message to the team in the WhatsApp group. Okay, send the WhatsApp group, and they will help you to do it. Okay, so we have the Copilot. Show you right. Okay, so in the WhatsApp group, if you see that, you can just tell your question there. You said, okay, I am not able to see the $129 price. I want to see the $90 annual pricing. How can I see that? If I cannot see it, type your request to the WhatsApp group, and the team will send you a private message and help you to fix it there. Okay. So there's an image there. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the exclude discount menu. Okay, here. We click it, you should be able to see the $9 plan here. Yeah, and then you add the ad on Shopify. Okay, upgrade plan, all this thing will be there, and you can see, you can change the price here in Shopify. Okay, there's document. Thanks, Alex, for the document. All right, so if you are still not yet inside the link, let me show you the link. How to share that. Okay, here's the WhatsApp link. Okay, give me some time. Let me just type for you guys. All right, if you have any question, also can ask here. It can be related to dropshipping, can relate to anything. Just type here. The first one, register. Here. Okay, you get this link. And make sure you open it on Chrome. Pretty important. You can see some of you guys are already not able to see the discount, maybe because of the link. Okay. And number two, after done it, fill the form. Fill the Google form. Okay, so that you can access the private group and the private training. And number three, join the WhatsApp group, which is the Q&A group. Q&A group. If any question, just use that group. And if you cannot find the link or cannot find a discount, use that link. Okay, let me say to you guys in the chat. All right, just send to the chat as well. Take any chance we could do more regular e-commerce up in future? Yeah, maybe. I cannot guarantee here yet. Okay, but we can. Definitely, I wanted to. See how many of you guys want me to do it? You want me to do more live, like regularly? You type 777. All right, okay. Definitely. So I will see. I'll host more regular training. But I need to make sure you guys are really taking action, you know. I may be not just doing e-commerce. I just, as long as any type of training is okay, right? Because I have lots of things to share, maybe about, I don't know, spiritual things, business management, exercising, right? Maybe trading or whatever. Okay, you know, I can do a lot of stuff with you guys. If any topic is okay, I can just call on and I can talk for 3-4 hours non-stop if you want it. Okay. Would there be any training on how to use? Yes, there will be training on how to use. Okay. To keep it simple, just like what I did, right? Find your supplier, just type the point here at the bottom. What do you want to find? After you type something, I'm going to show you the product. You filter the product maybe based on price. You know our criteria. $5, $30, right? And then you can show category as well, which category you want specifically, ship from anywhere, right? Then you just click confirm. You want 15-day delivery, that means the product can be shipped within 15 days. You can select this one, confirm, even filter with you even more better product supplier. Okay, and then you space on that. Let's say I want to, okay, like let's say this one, okay, you want to do this one. Also, okay, then you click to import list. After you click to import list, it will be inside your import list. And then it'll be here, right? You just click it, you can just click the edit button and you can start editing it. Change the price, you can change all this the stock to Shopify, image, product, it will be the product title, all this stuff, right? One-click optimization, and all these things. Okay, this is the part that I like the most. And this part is huge. Look at this one. Let's try this one. Okay, automatic detected is sport watch. Yeah, I think it's not sport watch. Okay, let me try, let's say, what's this? Dagger watch, I don't know what it is, but just wait there. Okay, show you the title. Okay, together. Okay, looks like it's a brand. I see a brand. Looks like it's a brand. Make sure that we do not want to sell brand stuff. Brand item, don't do it. It's brand. I don't think it's brand. Oh, it's a brand on Aliexpress, I guess. Wait. Just do that. Let's try it. It's course watch. Okay, search. Okay, and then you just add those keywords that you think is useful. Could I quit after I have confirmed to use the port upgraded plan? Anything? No, okay. For those who have done and you do not want me to continue showing stuff, you can just quit. No worry. I may just keep chatting. I may give you guys some new idea and new tips when I'm here. So as long as you need help, you stay here. Or you want to keep listening to me about showing you guys more stuff, you can stay here. If you rush, you want to have lunch, have dinner, go there. Again, thanks for hopping on. Okay, thanks for hopping on. Okay, if you stay tuned for all the new stuff in the group or in whatever. Okay, if you have rush, just go first. I will continue just to do my demo. Okay, and the team will still be there with you guys. I'm gonna feed my boy. Yeah? Go ahead, Nicholas. All right. So let's say Omega is all these are pretty good. Like create one for man. Let me select this one. Okay, and then I just click generate and see how kind of things going to generate. Okay, so let me see how many people are. So we have already like nearly 40 people submit the form. Perfect, great, huge. All right. I see most of you guys already submitted your email as well. Okay, let me just share this asset to the team so that they can follow up with you. Okay, done. Look at this. Look at the description. And how to start with this watch. Okay, quad movement. The watch is also waterproof 30 meters, right? Package include, and then those image. Easy, just like that. Okay, those image you don't like, just delete it. Okay, you don't like it, you don't need it, delete it. All right, pretty simple. All right, just like that. If you're done, use our page. Okay. Okay, let me see any question. Good job. Thanks for value live. See you around. Good dinner. Yep. See you guys later. See you guys later. For those who need to go. Bullshit. Okay, I'm gonna send you guys form to the Copilot team so that maybe later on they will reach out to you. Okay. So for now, I think the team, the main team you reach out to should be Alex and Leo, I guess. All right. And okay, great. Claire, can you type the name of your CS team to the chat as well? So that
Yes.
when
Alex and Earl.
Alex, just
Yeah. Alex and Earl. And maybe Alex and Earl can send your name here in the group.
Yeah, you can also send in the WhatsApp group as well.
Yeah.
So that they know you are the guy who reached out to.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Your Google form only show monthly subscription. What do you mean? On Google form, there should be. Oh no, 1 month.
It doesn't matter if you just assigned and you can either choose the monthly plan or the yearly plan. That will be okay. And just need to write down your email and also make sure to add Alex or Earl, who is just from my customer support team, as your WhatsApp friends. So they will deal the rest of the things to you. Maybe within 1 or 2 working days.
So I will send you guys this PowerPoint later as well, so you guys can see it. Where's Alex? Alex here. This is Alex. Okay, so make sure to only reply to these 2 guys, okay, on the WhatsApp. Okay, so to clarify on the plan, some member may be having difficulties in terms of doing the payment. So do know that the 30% off discount only apply on the first payment. They mean what? They mean if you choose the monthly plan, okay, the monthly plan, only your first month will have the 30% off. If you go for the annual plan, that's why it's $90 because it's the first payment. So that means the first month, if you just choose for a monthly payment, it will be $9 for the first month, and the second month you will go back to 12.9. Okay, it may not be that much. For those of you just opt for the monthly one. Okay, it really depends on your budget. So if you have really small budget, okay, I would just go for the monthly plan first. Okay, if you really not in short of budget, okay, it doesn't matter that the $3 or $4 you later on you can make it back later on if you really start making money from there. Okay, do not borrow money to invest. Do not borrow money to squeeze yourself too hard. Okay, we try to bring you the best plan on the market, but we still do not want you to risk too much if you are not experienced, if you're not that experienced enough. Okay. So sometimes if you're not allowed to upgrade, it could be you haven't linked your Shopify store to the app yet. Okay, because the payment is done through Shopify. It's not done through like credit card or whatever. You need to have a Shopify store first. That's why you need to set up a Shopify store. I think Shopify should have like a free trial of 14 days or something like that. You can do that one. Okay, and then you can link it there. And I want to know how many of you guys here that do not have a Shopify store. I'm curious. If you do not have a Shopify store, then just type one. And you want to sign up. Okay, you don't have a Shopify store and you want to sign up. So I am actually the official partner of Shopify. That means we can create you a store with unlimited free trial until you start running a store. That means you can set up your store with my link, and then you don't need to pay any money until you officially launch a store. Okay, that's something we can do. But since you still need to use, but you need to use this app, you need to pay. That's why Shopify may ask you to upgrade a plan in order to use this app. Okay, so you may need to, but I will still send you the link if you want to try it. Okay, so let me just find it. Unlimited Shopify plan. Make a change. Somewhere I have it. Divide it. Okay, Liz asks, is the yearly fee of $90 locked for lifetime? This is just for the first year. This is just for the first year. The second year, we go back to 129.9. Still cheap. I mean, it's pretty affordable. Okay, for you guys. Is there an introduction class to Shopify? Because I only know about Amazon. So for those who have no experience, okay, in Shopify, just go to YouTube and search my name. Then you're gonna find a lot of free training there. Or you just go to my group. Okay, you're gonna go to search my name on YouTube. You're gonna find all this training on Shopify. Okay, or you just go to our group, the Econ Club. This group. Okay, we have a series of training inside the group. You can just go there and start watching it. Okay, you just go to media, and then go to video. We have like tons and tons of training just for you guys. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. Just go there, and then you can start watching. All right. I can link to the group. You don't have a group. Okay, let me send it to you. All right. So I'm gonna stay there for like 5 more minutes, and then I know you guys are busy. I need to go for dinner as well. Okay, and the team need to follow up with you guys. So if any question for us, for the team, you can still drop a link, drop a question here. If not, you can just use the WhatsApp group. Okay, which is here. I'm gonna show you the link again. I'm gonna type it again for you guys. With the
opinion.
opinion. Quote. No. WhatsApp group. Yeah, it should be the same group. Okay, pretty good. Okay, so I hope you guys really learn a lot from this session. I know it's pretty tight schedule for our life because I have to go through important things for you guys. We go through from the mindset stuff, and then you go through for some quick ideas about what you can make for e-commerce. Especially this part, I really want you guys to really do it. I know some of you guys have been stuck on just focus on product sales, and you didn't move on product print on demand, and you don't even have things start with all these things. We're not with the AI tools, you can do a lot of things with ebook and digital courses. You just do it. You can add it as a bonus. I know some of my students, they're doing like a dog training PDF, and people buy dog stuff from them. They even give them like a design guide when they buy some design product, home decor product from them. You can have this kind of things. Yoga PDF, right? All this can be generated for free with those AI apps. You can really do that one, and you can put it as a bonus. You can even sell that for like $9 on the store. You can also do that, because Shopify allow digital download, digital products, right? Customer and follower assets, you have to build it up. So to building a TikTok account, Instagram account, and Facebook account, or YouTube account, it costs $0. You just need to do it. I used to be doing like a 5-day training, and we have like thousands of members have been taking part of that one, all only on organic traffic. I'm going to send you guys the one as well for those who join it, so you guys make sure to use this one, okay? You sell assets, then you have the Instagram account, you have a store, your email list, you can just cash it out, you can sell it there, you can put it on sale on Shopify Exchange. Shopify have something called Shopify Exchange that you can sell your store, and you can have a lot of page that you can sell the shout out page and all these things. Do that one as well, okay? And at the end, if you still do not want to do all this stuff, just providing service. I can tell you, I have a mastermind student, I think he's from Italy. He told me that first, he helped his mom to sell stuff in Italy with Facebook ad. He's making a lot of money. What he does, he just put an ad, a messenger ad. Let me send people to send message to his mom Facebook page, and then they will reply them with the addresses so they can go to that local store and buy from his mom. Just like that, local business can use messenger ad. That means you don't need to use an image ad or link ad. You don't even have a link. You just need to have a messenger ad, send a private message to a page, and then send people to your store locally, and you convert them there. And then since you know that it works, my student, the Italian, he start doing this business for every single local store in Italy. And since then, he become financial free. Since then, he built a bigger and bigger company just like that. All the knowledge we talk to you in all our free training can be applied to a real life, because we show you guys the whole structure of business. A lot of e-com coaches or a lot of business coaches, they may only show you just one part of business. It can be just product sales, how to run Facebook ad. It can be just product optimization, and that's it. But we show you the whole system, and each part of it can create a whole department for each and every business on earth. Do that with your local business. You can do that on online business. You can do it for a gym. You can do it for a restaurant. You can do that for a fashion store. You can do all this. Just go out there and pitch them. Hey, I can help you to open an Instagram page. I can help you to open a Facebook page. I can help you to run ad. I can help you to do blah, blah, blah. Or I charge maybe $50 per month. Or I charge is $500 per month, depending on where you're from. If you're from US, definitely $500, even $1,000, perfect. If you're from like India, you're from a poorer country, charge them $5, $10. It's easy money, gonna pay you. Hey, even if they say, oh, you only need to pay me when we give you result. Also okay. Reach out to, let's say, 100 local store from today onwards. Go outside there, then talk to them. Hey, I want to do a business for you, want to run a store for you. Do it for them. There will be at least 10, 20 people will get back to you and ask you to start a store. Then you can introduce them, maybe, I don't know, Dropshipping Copilot to them. Okay, let them import a store, then you start a dropshipping business, and then you guys become partner. Also okay. If you do not have money, as a business owner, you know that when you start a business, you do not need money. Yes, just like Alibaba, when Jack Ma start Alibaba, you don't have money. You just go to reach out to 20x people and then get the 20x people, 18 people to be part of the shareholder team. And then they have the money, they have the fund, they have the manpower, and to start the whole business. If your business needs money to start, this is not a good business because you do not have a more forward plan. Okay, most business do not need money to start. You just need manpower, you just need resources, and you just need a guide. Okay, and now we show you the guide, we show you the resources, and you just need you to do the action. Okay, so pretty easy. Okay, so we show like 5-6 ways to do it, and with way more training in our YouTube and all this stuff. All you need to do, just watch it. Okay, so let me see any question. Thank you very much, Egyptian. Thanks. Need to go. Bye. Okay, we still have people hopping on. Have you tried TikTok ad or TikTok organic? Gel, I tried, but it doesn't work for me because I do not have the VP the access to TikTok. Because I'm from Hong Kong, I do not have all this direct access, so it make me do not want to try to do it yet. Because I want to stick with more organic things first, like Google, like pages and Instagram. Stop video. Okay, so let me see. Still 50 people here. Okay, I think it's already 5 minutes, right? Go training as usual. Thanks, Nick. Thanks. All right, so I think that is about time. And that's about time. I think the dropshipping team, Copilot team also need to have some team meeting maybe later on. So again, thanks for you guys for this for hopping on. Okay, I really appreciate your time. I know it has been a while. We haven't been doing any training. I hope this give you guys a surprise, give you guys some motivation and inspiration that you can kickstart your journey again. Okay, and again, thanks Claire and her amazing team to create this amazing product. So we have a huge list of people here, our students. We give you guys a lot of feature requests. So make sure to serve them well. Okay, they gonna give you a lot of headache. Okay, so make sure to accommodate them. Okay, and no need to be shy. Just go ahead and reach out to the team. Go reach out to Alex, reach out to Claire, to reach out to the team. They will help you with every single request. Okay, they're here to help you for your success. Because only when you are making money, they're also making money. Okay, when you are happy, they are happy. Okay, that's the purpose of running a successful business. All right. So again, thanks all of you. Thanks all of you guys staying here until here. I think it's like nearly 2 hours. We're gonna do more regular training later on. And for those who already subscribe to Dropshipping Copilot, I will send you guys another private link to our courses and all these things later on after Claire manage all the member first. Okay, then we will let you guys know later on. It will be in a 1 week or 2 week time. During this period, just go ahead, try it out. Okay, give us a lot of feature requests, and we keep you excited about all our new stuff. All right. So yeah, Claire, you have anything to say?
No, thanks.
Okay. So see you guys later. Have a good day. Have a good week, and bye bye.
Bye bye.